Hi there, this is teacher Carla from English.com. Today, we will study the book of English Times 6 by Susan Rivers and Tetsuko Toyoma. This is the continuation of our lesson last time under Unit 6. So now we are about to continue the second part. Are you ready? Very good. Let's go now on to the second part of Unit 6. We are now on the practice time. So here, you'll just need to make some practices. Okay, let's read the example. I have already played the video game. I haven't read the magazine yet. Okay, so now let's look at picture number 1. She buy the cell phone. So let us look. The example or the correct answer will be she already bought the cell phone. Okay. So how about number 2? They eat the candy bars. Look at the candy bars. It's still whole. So they haven't eat the candy bars yet. Okay, how about number 3? I make the cappuccino. Look. Okay, so the answer will be I haven't make the cappuccino yet because there's no cappuccino on the cups. 4. You do the puzzle. The answer is you haven't do the puzzle yet because there is no answer on this part. 3. He drew the portrait or he draw the portrait. Let's look at the picture. The answer here is he already have drew the portrait. 6. He finished lunch. Let's look. Okay, so he already finished lunch. Number 7. She tried on the jacket. So as you can see, she's wearing the jacket. The answer will be she already tried on the jacket. And 8. He drank the coffee. So if there's no coffee on the cup, the answer will be he already drank the coffee. Okay, so those are the practices here. You can practice this with your classmates or with your friend. Okay, now let's move on to the next page for your reading practice. Are you ready? Very good. Let's go now on the next page. We are now at your reading time. So here, there is a short passage. Okay, now it is about flood closes Sunnyvale Mall. Let's read what happened here. Yesterday's thunderstorm and heavy rains caused a flood in the Sunnyvale Mall. 4 feet of water filled the lower level. The flood didn't hurt any shoppers, but the stores had to close early. Ken Green store, T-shirt Planet, was full of water. I was talking on the phone when water started to pour in. It was scary, so I ran, said Mr. Green. I haven't seen all the damage yet. Mr. Green's insurance will pay for new T-shirts. The most extensive damage was in the food court. I lost 250 pounds of ice cream, said Rita Smith of Rita's Delicious Ice Cream. Luckily, shoppers haven't been discouraged by the flood. Repairs have already begun at Lacey's department store. The food court will reopen next week. Okay, so begun. This is the past tense of begin. Begin, begun. Okay, same. Now let's go on to your new words. So here, you need to listen carefully and repeat after me. Feet, feet. Lower level, lower level. Insurance, insurance. Food court, food court. Repairs, repairs. Fill, fill. Poor, poor. Extensive, extensive. Luckily, luckily. Reopen, reopen. Okay, so now let's move on to the latter part for some of the questions. So here are some of the questions about the passage. First one, what caused a flood in the mall? Very good, thunderstorm. How about the next one? How much ice cream did Rita Smith lose? Very good, it's 250 pounds. Third, did any shoppers get hurt? Very good, luckily there is none. And the last question, when will the food court reopen? Yes, it will reopen next week. Okay, so that will be all for Unit 6. I hope that you learned something new. And we will continue on the next video for more units and topics under this book. So have a great day and see you on the next video. Bye!